Hello, my name is Donna, and I'm in from Detroit, Michigan, ready for a change. It's very hard to manage. I'll be 65 in 6 months. Last couple of years have been kind of rough. We've had a couple of deaths in the family. Let things go, especially my hair. I just love it. I didn't ever think this was possible. It's shorter than I thought, and I really love it. Oh, Christopher. I called first, and I didn't get a call back. I was very frustrated, and I said they won't call me back, and it's, probably because I'm from Michigan or something. And he took the phone and he said, I'll show you how to get an appointment. And lo and behold, he called, and Robert, you answered, and he got an appointment.
Well, luckily it was a cancellation.
And I said, okay, I'll drive with you to Minnesota, and I'll cooperate with this, but you can't leave that appointment without making an appointment for me. And so he got me one.
The anxiety she went through
trying to do my hair.
Trying to do her hair, and she was never happy with it.
Mm-hmm. I have no fear. Trust Christopher completely. I feel 10 years younger, and it's a good feeling, yes.